Imagine you are falling, not the dream kind. This is real. Below you, a world 1,600 times larger than Earth is pulling you in, and nothing in the universe can stop it. Jupiter is not a planet. It is a god dressed in pastel clouds, and you are about to meet it. You have 4 hours to live, every minute worse than the last. From a distance, Jupiter looks breathtaking. Bands of cream and amber rolling like brushstrokes. The great red spot spinning slowly, almost peacefully. Your brain says, beautiful. But something is wrong. There is no surface, no ground, no moment where the falling stops. What you're looking at is the top of an atmosphere so violent that every probe humanity has ever sent into it was destroyed within an hour. Not damaged, not disabled, destroyed. And you are already falling into it. Jupiter's gravity is 2.4 times stronger than Earth's. You accelerate to 170,000 miles per hour before the air even slows you down. The friction generates heat hotter than the surface of the sun. This is exactly what happened to the Galileo probe in 1995. NASA armored it, engineered it to survive the unsurvivable. Gone in under 60 minutes. You are not armored, you are made of calcium and water. But here's the problem. The heat isn't even what kills you. That's just the welcome. You slow down, the air thickens, and for one horrible moment it almost looks like weather. The clouds up here are made of ammonia ice, negative 230 degrees Fahrenheit, wind moving at 400 miles per hour. Not a storm, that is Jupiter calm. But it gets worse. Below that layer, ammonium hydrosulfide, a compound used on Earth as a chemical weapon. You are now falling through a gas attack in the dark, tumbling at hundreds of miles per hour, and you keep falling. This is where things change. At just 100 miles down, the pressure is 23 times Earth's sea level. The Galileo probe's instruments failed here. Its transmissions went silent. For you, lungs collapse, eardrums gone in seconds. Every system in your body failing simultaneously. And that's not even the worst part. Jupiter goes down for thousands of miles, and you are still falling. Deep enough, something impossible happens. Hydrogen, the gas in party balloons, transforms under pressure into something with no name in everyday physics. Liquid metallic hydrogen. It flows, conducts electricity, and generates Jupiter's catastrophic magnetic field. You would be falling through matter that shouldn't exist. We don't know where it ends. We don't know if there's a core. The pressure may simply continue forever, physics bending into forms no human has ever experienced. You wouldn't die falling into Jupiter, you would be unmade. In 1994, comet Shoemaker Levy 9 fell into Jupiter, 21 fragments, the largest impact releasing 600 times the entire nuclear arsenal of Earth. Jupiter left a scar the size of our planet for a few weeks, then erased it, moved on, didn't notice. You are smaller than a rounding error in Jupiter's mathematics. Somewhere miles below the clouds, in crushing dark where sunlight has never reached, where the pressure erased every trace of who you were. Jupiter was here 4.5 billion years before the first human drew breath. It will be here 4 billion years after the last one exhales. Every civilization we've ever built, every ocean we've crossed, every name we've given to the stars, none of it registers, not even as silence. The universe doesn't hate us.
What happens if you fall into a black hole?